An emergency fund is a savings account specifically designated to cover unforeseen expenses. Emergency funds provide a financial safety net, preventing debt accumulation during unexpected crises. Setting aside an emergency fund protects against the need to acquire debt when unexpected life events occur. To determine the necessary amount for an emergency fund, begin by tracking monthly expenses. Monthly expenses should include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and other essential costs. Tracking monthly expenses establishes a baseline for assessing monthly financial needs. An emergency fund should generally contain 3-6 months' worth of living expenses. A stable job and low debt may warrant a 3-month emergency fund. Variable income or significant debt necessitates a 6-month or larger emergency fund. Emergency fund size is directly proportional to income stability and inversely proportional to debt level. Unexpected car repairs can create financial strain without an emergency fund. An emergency fund provides immediate access to funds, preventing debt accumulation. Emergency funds allow covering unexpected expenses without accruing interest on credit cards. Maintaining an emergency fund safeguards overall financial stability. An emergency fund provides peace of mind by preparing for unexpected financial challenges. Emergency funds prevent accumulating debt during unforeseen circumstances. Using an emergency fund protects long-term financial health by avoiding withdrawals from retirement savings. Emergency funds offer financial flexibility and resilience when unexpected events occur. Start small by setting a savings goal and automating contributions to an emergency fund. Small, consistent contributions accumulate substantially over time. Maximize earnings by setting up a separate high-yield savings account. Regularly review and adjust your emergency fund as circumstances change. Increased expenses necessitate a corresponding increase in the emergency savings goal. Decreased income stability may require a higher emergency fund to mitigate increased risk. Building an emergency fund is a crucial step towards financial security. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your finances. Hit the notification bell for updates and build a brighter financial future. Stay tuned for our next video.